Hi, I'm Preston Conrad, and I'm a graduate from Wahai.
Hi, I'm Denise, and I'm a graduate of Walla Walla High School.
Hi, my name is Alyssa, and I am a graduate of Walla Walla High School.
Hi everyone, my name is Julian Mendoza. I'm class of 2019.
My name is Trinity McFetridge, and I am a graduate at Wahai.
Hi, my name is Henry Watson, and I'm a Wahai graduate.
Hi, I'm Caroline Blethyn, and I'm a graduate of Walla Walla High School.
Hi, I'm Lizette Salcedo, and I'm a graduate from Walla Walla High School.
The thing I enjoy most about being at Wahai is having all the activities that I can participate in. I'm involved in both FFA and drama.
I've really enjoyed making new friends, but definitely keeping in touch with old friends and keeping that relationship with them has been really nice, and having Avid with Cutie has been very fun.
What I really enjoyed about Wahai is science classes, especially Miss Burt's class, because I really liked her personality.
My drama class with Kristen Glazer. She has a way of making everyone kind of feel welcomed, and you kind of feel as like a little family almost, and it's really good, and it's really nice on like bad days.
At Wahai, I've made a lot of really great friends and had a lot of amazing teachers that have made my time at Wahai super special.
What I enjoyed most about Wahai was talking to my friends either outside or in the lunchroom.
What I enjoyed at Wahai was getting more involved with athletes, playing soccer and football, the coaches.
T-Tech is great because it gave me a pathway into the nursing field.
When times got rough, my friends helped me by being there for me.
When life got tough, Kristen was really there. She kind of boosted me up. She was just kind of like there as like my shoulder to cry on almost, and it just really helped me because I was able to like go to her and vent about things, and it felt nice.
Through the hard times, my Avid class helped me persevere. My freshman year, when I wanted to give up, they told me to keep going. And now it's senior year, and I applied to 11 colleges and got into 10 of them.
When times got tough, I would talk to the career counselor about my problems, and then she would give me advice to take on throughout the day in the real world.
Mr. Hudeberg, my Avid teacher, and Catherine. Hudeberg is really good at keeping me on track, and Catherine she does a really good job at showing me how to get there and being that support system and always reminding me that I'm capable of doing things, which is really nice having that type of support here.
What kept me going from Wahai having rough times was Andrew Sayers and Stacy Esses was more involved in me and kept speaking life into me and just kept motivating me to keep going.
Throughout high school, there has been different people helping me through every year, but one of my biggest supporters has been my mom. My next step is to attend to a four-year university. I'm hoping Eastern Washington University, and become a bilingual elementary teacher.
Next year, I will be going to the University of Arizona and pursuing nursing at the Honors College there.
My next step in life would be becoming a firefighter in Yakima, West Valley area.
After Wahai, I plan to go to CC to become a travel nurse because it will be an adventure.
My next step is to go to UW, and because I've always liked math and science, I'd like to be an engineer.
My plan for the future is to get a 2-year transfer at Walla Walla Community College. My career is photography, K-9 unit, or medical field.
My next step is to get my AA out at Walla Walla CC in cosmetology school.
My plans for the future are to go to WSU, and I want to pursue either agricultural education or zoological veterinary medicine. I haven't exactly decided what I want to do yet.